Reasons not to buy a Summer Waves Polygroup swimming pool. Reason number one, as I step on the ladder here, you zoom in, all the sides started popping off. Well, we figured, we could deal with that. We started stringing them and tying them in place so that it would hold it together. Figured we'd at least get a season out of this. Mind you, this pool has been up for 2 weeks. Then we keep finding that the water was just below, where is it? There we go. Just below that guy every morning. So we'd refill it. Figured we had a small leak. It might get clogged up with debris. Something. You know, anything happens. But, well, it didn't. And we later found out that, I don't know if I can zoom in enough to capture the little yellow straw, but another seam has broken loose on this pool. Again, 2 weeks this pool was up. It has been nothing but headache, nothing but trouble. And I mean, as you see, it's just continuing to come unglued. It's not threaded, it's not stitched, it's glued. And they just all keep popping off. And it just isn't worth the time, the money, the effort, and the aggravation. Not to mention, the best part of it is this very rickety ladder. It says it holds people, but you know, it's been my grandkids and me. My husband swam in it twice, who was the reason why we bought it, because he's a disabled vet and he's supposed to have some aqua therapy. Well, we will not be repeating the purchase with a Summer Waves. And there's the, you know, wonderful water draining out with the straw into my yard. And the hose is still there from refilling it every morning because, like I said, it had a leak that we couldn't find. Do not. This is an 18 by 48, purchased at a local store, and it's absolute garbage. Save your money, people.